Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss 30 most important MCQs on prose for SYBA compulsory English. First, we can see here the syllabus of semester 3, unit 1st, prose section. For this section, we have 3 short stories. First one is A Simple Philosophy by Seethal. Second one is The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore. And the third one is The Verger by W. Somerset Maugham. Now the first question is, how many times the term savage repeated in the letter by Seethal? And the options are 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, 8 times. And the correct answer is option B, 5 times. Question number 2. To whom does Chief Seethal address in his speech? And options are President Franklin, Lenin, William Porter, all people. And the correct answer is option A, President Franklin. Question number 3. What will the white man realize one day according to Chief Seethal? And options are water is important, our God is the same God, people should control the nature, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, our God is the same God. Question number 4. Who was Chief Seethal? And the options are President of America, Prime Minister of India, Chief of the Native American Squamish tribe, a farmer. And the answer is C, Chief of the Native American Squamish tribe. Question number 5. What does the letter express written by Chief Seethal? And the options are simple philosophy, decline of the Native American people, resignation of the Native American people, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Sixth question is, who lived close to nature according to Seethal? And the options are Native American, Indian, white people, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, Native American. Question number 7. Who accepted the white man's offer to buy the land? Options are Chief Seethal, President of United States, forest officers, all of these. And the correct answer is option A, Chief Seethal. Question number 8. According to Chief Seethal, who is connected like the blood which unites the family? And the options are living things, non-living things, people, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 9. Which phrase or word conveys the message of the importance of land? And the options are holy, bought or sold, sacred, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 10. What is the belief of Seethal about the ownership of land? And the options are no one can buy or sell, only his people can buy, it belongs to his family, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, no one can buy or sell. Question number 11. What was the name of the verger of St. Peter Church? And the options are Peter, the vicar, Albert Edward Foreman, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, Albert Edward Foreman. Question number 12. At what age did the verger begin working? Options are 15, 12, 24, 22. And the correct answer is option B, 12. Question number 13. Where was St. Peter's Church located? Options are London, Neville Square, behind the gate, in front of the gate. And the correct answer is option B, Neville Square. Question number 14. Who is the author of the Virgil? And the options are Ruskin Bond, Leo Tolstoy, William Blake, W. Somerset Maugham. And the correct answer is option D, W. Somerset Maugham. Question number 15. The story The Verger is taken from the collection of stories called, options are Gitanjali, The Box of Delight, Cosmopolitan, Russian Empire. And the correct answer is option C, Cosmopolitan. Question number 16. W. Somerset Maugham was born in 1874, 1965, 1912, 1861. And the answer is option A, 1874. Question number 17. What is a verger? Options are a caretaker in a church, a teacher, an attendant in a church. Both A and C. And the correct answer is D, both A and C. Question number 18. Who could not read and write in the Virgil? Options are Peter, the vicar, Albert Edward Forman, church warden. And the correct answer is option C, Albert Edward Forman. Question number 19. The Homecoming is written by William Porter, Kamala Das, Rabindranath Tagore, Oliver Goldsmith. And the correct answer is option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 20. Who is Bishamber? Phatik's friend, Phatik's neighbor, Phatik's uncle, or Phatik's brother? The correct answer is Phatik's uncle. Question number 21. Who is responsible for Phatik's death? His mother, his aunt, or his uncle? And last option is all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 22. Who was Phatik? And options are a naughty boy, a servant, a shopkeeper, Bishamber's son. And the correct answer is option A, naughty boy. Question number 23. The story The Homecoming is a tragic tale of Rabindranath Tagore, Bishamber, Makhan, Phatik. And the correct answer is option D, Phatik. Question number 24. Who beat Makhan in the presence of his mother? Phatik, Bishamber, Phatik's neighbor, Phatik's friend. And the correct answer is option A, Phatik. Question number 25. Who got angry on learning about the loss of Phatik's book? Options are Phatik's aunt, Phatik's mother, his uncle, all of these. And correct answer is option A, Phatik's aunt. Question number 26. What were Phatik's last words? Options are don't tell lies, speaking the truth, mother, the holidays have come, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, mother, the holidays have come. Question number 27. Who wears cassock? Options are a priest, a bank manager, people, all of these. And the correct answer is option A, priest. Question number 28. What is the theme of The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore? And the options are conflict, responsibility, love and isolation, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 29. The verger had been working at St. Peter's Church for last 16 years, 12 years, last 8 years, last 10 years. And the correct answer is option A, last 16 years. Question number 30. What is vestry? Options are a room in a church to keep vessels, a room in a church to keep vestments, a room in a church for meetings, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these.